brown skin shining in the
Reykar. I'm saying it.
You're my love, my only one.
What? It's been decades since you were here.
You brought beauty to my African queen.
Yeah. But I'm not doing it because I feel very, very bored. Hey, welcome to this week's vlog. So this week in Norway, we're celebrating. It's a long weekend kind of week. I go to school from Monday to Wednesday, so that never changed. But Saturday, for other people who work weekends, they were celebrating. I don't know, preparations for Pinse. They call it Pinse, but it's like Pentecost today. So Saturday was like people who work on weekends did not go to work, or they got paid extra. You know, if you work on weekends, you get paid extra. And Sunday was Pentecost today, and Monday still no work because it is second day of the Holy Spirit, Pentecost today. It's really, really fun. I like this little holiday. I also do not understand why I was so puffy on the other video. Stumpy.
Reykar.
No, Reykar.
Reykar.
Reykar. I'm saying it. Reykar. Reykar.
You say smoking.
Reykar.
Reykar.
I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying wrong. I'm saying
Reykar.
it. Roiko?
Not smoke. Reykar.
Reke.
Yeah.
Reke.
Reykar.
Reke. What is reke? Shrimp. What about scampi?
Reykar.
I finally learned the word. I bought this plant for a friend. It was just so cute. I do not understand my face sometimes because I slept really well and sometimes it's just so puffy. My cheeks somehow have gotten bigger. It's not that I got fat overnight. I just don't understand my face. And the weather now in Norway is so annoying. I don't know why it bothers me more now than it did before. It's not like anything has changed. It's quite the same as when I came. So I do not understand why it bothers me so much now. It's so gloomy and just it's supposed to be becoming summer, right? But it's so cloudy and so rainy every freaking day. In Norway, medical care is free. It is free in a way that when you want to see your doctor, you pay a little amount of money, like maybe $25 to $30, which is not a problem. But if you use up to $300 a year, you don't pay anymore for the rest of that year. And that is really, really cool. And if you need to have a procedure like surgery, it is free. Again, amazing. The problem is your doctor has to say that it is absolutely necessary. Even though you're in pain, you have to manage it until the doctor sees that it is necessary for you. It is quite frustrating because sometimes you think you need it. That is a source of frustration for me because I have some shoulder pain and I come from a country where if you have a problem, you go to see a doctor and you get a solution. It's that simple. It is an adjustment for me to get used to a system that is not, you don't just pay for stuff to get stuff, you know. Hello, I'm Kachumbari. I think you should start now.
Yeah, you really have to get close enough. No,
What?
Last year.
Yeah, we will get to it.
It's actually already over this day for December.
Yeah, we just need to get to it, you know?
Yeah, you gotta stop thinking about it and just do it.
That's the spirit.
Yeah, but I think
This is making all very uncomfortable.
you're never ready for the baby, but if you just get pregnant now, you won't have time to think about it.
Yeah, that's the spirit.
Yeah,
yesterday, green eyes shining bright. Didn't find the words, but maybe tonight I'll ask you right. Driving girl, come out with me. Sit real close where no one can see. Driving girl, say you'll be mine. Just you and me in the pale moonshine. You smile back at me, soft as summer rain. Girl, my knees went weak, heart went wild again, can't explain. Driving girl, come out with me. Sit real close.
It's been decades, you would say, wouldn't you say? It's been decades since you were here. We went to see my stepdaughter playing football with her team, and it happened to be in the school that my husband went for Vidiragonde. I think that's like senior high school.
Where no one can see. Driving girl, say you'll be mine. Just you and me in the pale moonshine. Let the movie play slow, we'll whisper soft and low.
I heard Ule teaching Megan math. He loves math, so I am so glad that one of us can do this.
With your hand in mine, girl, time won't even show. Driving girl, come out with me. Sit real close where no one can see. Driving girl, say you'll be mine. Just you and me in the pale moonshine. Driving girl, please.
We went for a walk and I saw these very beautiful flowers. I thought, oh, I must take a video of this because it's so cute.
Say you'll go.
I have had these marinade for 2 days, but not on purpose because I forgot. I put the marinade which I bought, put it in, and I'd covered them, put it in the fridge until today. So it's been 2 days, unintended.
I saw you in my dream, under a silver sky. You reached your hand to
It appears that I like this yellow shirt.
me and shared a dream with me. I hope I see you each time I close my eyes. I wanna reach you where all the dreaming lies. I hope I feel you in shadows and lullabies.
Just gonna take this. Here.
I find you when I sleep, right where the starlight bends. You touch my lonely heart and suddenly it mends. I hope I see you.
Have a smoothie.
I close my eyes. I wanna reach you where all the dreaming lies.
The thing is, sometimes I am so energetic and I can actually work out. And sometimes it is hard for me to just lift my shoulder, that arm. I was struggling there so much. It's a weird mixture of things. I went for physiotherapy and this is me trying to work out. It's embarrassing.
I wanna hold you beneath the silent sky and stay with
Watching movies. I got a drink. And I have tea waiting.
and when the dawn arrives.
feel so bored. I'm sitting outside because I'm so bored. Bored of watching series. I have laundry that I could do, but I'm not doing it because I feel very, very bored. It happens sometimes here because of the weather. It's just so depressing. It's rainy, it's dark, it's supposed to, summer is supposed to have started, but let me show you. Look. It's been like this yesterday, today. This is supposedly, it's like almost summertime. It can be quite depressing, you know? On a different note, I decided to put this reviews. Table was kind of ugly. Useless, so I decided I'm gonna do this. No, it's not so ugly. Just hide that. And it's the little chairs. That's just. That's me. I've never used these chairs. It's the first time. First time for everything. I'll be fine. Just this I did not put. This I found with this house. The person that was living here before probably decorated all her kids. So I don't see any problem with it. Well, I'm not tall enough to be bothered by this. So when a tall person sits here, they might want to remove it, but I'm fine. What to do? An idea came to me. I should move this plant to this place. Much better. Not really, but I had to do something. I can guarantee you, but you should plant the other plants there. Ooh, yeah. Like this. I'm doing laundry. I was feeling pretty bad, but I feel much better now. Wow, aren't they so cute? Right? They're so cute. I've been watching vlogs from other creators on YouTube. I have a few things that I need to fix about on my own channel. I'm working on that. Hopefully my videos will be better.
He's standing by a castle in a velvet coat, looking like a prince who owns a private boat. I imagine us ruling kingdoms by the sea, me in diamonds and pouring wine for me. But he writes, I live with my...
This is pinachot. This is something we eat during Christmas, so it's really special.
My mom, yeah, not for me. Next guy smiles sweetly holding a rescue pup. Looks like he hugs strangers just to cheer them up.